Good morning. This is Beth from Cooking Lessons for My Daughter. And because this is going to be a really quick video, I'm just going to share a little bit about why I started this channel. My daughter is 26 now, and she was adopted from China at age 6 because I felt so blessed to have been given the opportunity to adopt her brothers, both of them at birth. So I wanted to do something for someone else, and I decided to adopt a little bit older child from China, a girl. Most people wanted babies, and I knew that in China, once you turn 18, you're typically just turned out. And that's a story of how she came to me. But the reason I didn't teach her to cook, because I've been doing this for years and years, is because I still was in a state of believing in perfectionism, and she was messy. She would spill sugar and, I don't know, vinegars and, whatever we were working with. And then I would end up having to clean them up. And I also had a brain tumor growing at the time that I was unaware of, but that's a whole nother story. And I didn't want to be mad at her. We were trying to bond and forge a relationship, so we just did other things. Anyway, today we're making Sriracha mayo. So this is my homemade mayonnaise, and I'll put a link to the video in the description, as well as basically how you make this. So it's not something you really have to measure. That's, I would say that's about 1/4 cup. And you can make as much as or little as you want. I put it on my vegetable pancakes. I dip my roasted cauliflower in it. It's really good with vegetables. And it's about, again, I just usually squeeze, but for the purpose of this video, depends on how spicy you like it. I don't like heat that kills me, makes me want to cry or run for a piece of bread. Some people do. So that's 2 tablespoons. And then a squeeze of lime, because it just ups the flavor profile. You do not have to use a lemon or lime. If you don't have it, it's good without it. But I like combining flavors and how that just improves the depth of the flavor. And then you stir it. That's it. You now have a dipping sauce. Oh, it's really good with organic corn chips. And now that I mention that, I only eat organic corn because while EWG does say that corn does not absorb a lot of pesticides, it's because of all the modifications and hybridizing and GMO science work on them. They actually repel bugs on their own. So I just use organic corn. Frozen corn in my soups, corn on the cob, corn. I don't really use corn oil. Anyway, because if you use organic, it's guaranteed to be a heritage breed. A long-standing that has not been tinkered with at all. So that's what I do. And there you go. This is Sriracha mayo, great dipping sauce. Oh, the corn chips. Because I lost my train of thought for a moment. Why am I talking about corn? I only buy organic corn chips, or mixed with black beans, or mixed with quinoa or some other ancient grain. They're delicious and they're wonderful dipped in this sauce. All right, I hope you have a great day. If you're enjoying my videos, my stories, please subscribe. Thank you.